How to make money when you don't have money on Forex. Now, this might sound very far-fetched, but you can actually make money without any money on Forex. You don't have to put any money down, and there's two ways. So the first way is that a lot of brokers actually offer free starting bonuses. Maybe not all of them, but a good chunk of brokers offer a free $30 to start without any money down, especially if you've never traded before. XM.com, for example, can give you a free $30 that you can open a trading account with, and you can get a free $30 to start, and it's live money. And if you make profits, you can actually use that profit and actually withdraw the profit once you're done. It's all about finding the right broker that offers an opportunity to trade with a free $30. So that's the first part. So you find some brokers and trade the $30. Now, I just must give you some information about the $30. Remember, they are giving you a $30 that you can trade. It doesn't mean that you must now try to withdraw that $30. You won't be able to withdraw the $30, but you will be able to withdraw the profit that you make on the $30. And the first time you withdraw all the money, that $30 will be taken away. So the broker is trying to encourage you to use their platform to make money. And if you are a formidable trader, you can actually trade that money with no money down, and you can actually start trading. The second part is that you can actually use that $30 to add on to what you have. So if you don't have a lot of money, you can take that money and deposit it into the trading account, maybe if it's 300 Rand, 500 Rand, and you can combine it with that $30 and you can use it to trade alongside with it, which allows you to start with a much larger amount. Then obviously, as you get the correct signals and you trade and you make money, then you can be able to make profit and actually withdraw some of your money. The second part is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a very different way where you help the broker find customers. So the more customers that sign up onto their platform, then the broker will begin to give you some money off of the spreads that they make. Remember what I mentioned before. I've once mentioned that spread is the difference between the asking price and the selling price. So if someone trades and the broker makes, say, $10, then the broker will give you a share on some of the spreads that they make. So the more customers you bring in, the more traders you bring in, the more they get to share with you that cut. So you haven't put any money down. Only thing you're offering the broker is an opportunity to market for them, and they will then give you a cut of that spread. And that's how you can make money around the Forex community without any money down.